My name is Leena, and I thought I had the perfect life. I am 28 years old, married to a man I love, and we live in a small but comfortable house. His name is Rohan, and he is kind, caring, and always makes me laugh. Everyone who meets us says we are perfect together. We have been married for 5 years, and I trusted him completely. I never imagined that one day my world would turn upside down with a single secret. It all started when I found a small envelope in his drawer. I wasn't looking for anything, but it fell open as I cleaned the room. Inside, there were letters, photographs, and papers I didn't understand. My heart froze. At first, I told myself it must be nothing. Rohan is my husband. He loves me. He would never lie. But curiosity grew inside me, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. That night, I pretended to sleep, but my mind was awake. I remembered all the small things: late nights at work, secretive phone calls, sudden silences when I entered the room. Could it be possible that my husband had a secret? The next morning, I tried to act normal. I greeted him, smiled, and pretended nothing was wrong. But inside, a storm was building. My perfect life felt fragile, like a glass vase ready to break. I knew one thing for sure. I had to find out the truth, not just for myself, but for the love I still had for him. The next morning, I tried to focus on my work, but my mind kept returning to the envelope. Every small detail of Rohan's behavior replayed in my head. I remembered the nights he came home late, the messages he hid, and the way he sometimes seemed lost in thought. I decided I could no longer ignore it. I carefully opened the letters and papers. My hands trembled as I read the first few lines. They were letters from a woman, someone from his past. My heart sank. At first, I felt anger and betrayal. How could he hide this from me? We had shared everything, or so I thought. But as I read further, I realized something else. These letters were old, from years before we met. They were part of a past he never told me about, a part he had tried to leave behind. Then I found something even more shocking: a photograph of a young girl with Rohan. My heart froze. Who was she? My mind raced with questions. Had he been married before? Did he have a child he never told me about? Fear and confusion overwhelmed me. I wanted to confront him immediately, but I also knew I had to stay calm. If I reacted in anger, I might lose the chance to understand the truth. That evening, I waited until he came home. He smiled, kissed me, and asked about my day, completely unaware of the storm inside me. I forced a smile and tried to act normal. Finally, I could not keep silent. I asked, "Rohan, can we talk? There is something I found, something important." He took a deep breath and said softly, "I was afraid you would find this. I wanted to tell you, but I didn't know how." My heart raced. "Tell me, Rohan. Please, I need the truth." He nodded and sat down. "Leena, before I met you, I had a child. Her mother passed away, and I raised her for a few years. But then, circumstances forced me to give her to my sister. I never told you because I didn't want the past to hurt our life together. I wanted to start fresh with you. Tears filled my eyes. The anger I felt earlier softened into understanding. His secret was not about betrayal, but about pain, fear, and protection. I realized then that life sometimes hides the hardest truths to protect the people we love, and understanding that truth requires patience, courage, and an open heart. After Rohan shared his secret, I felt a mix of emotions. Relief because I finally knew the truth. Fear because I didn't know how this would change our marriage. Anger because he hadn't trusted me enough to tell me earlier. I looked at him and asked softly, "Rohan, why didn't you tell me before? We promised honesty. How could you hide this from me?" He lowered his eyes. "I was scared, Leena. I loved you. I didn't want my past to hurt our life together. I thought keeping it hidden was protecting you. But I see now that I only caused you pain." His words made me pause. I could feel his sincerity, his regret. I realized that secrets in love are often about fear, not betrayal. He had kept this from me not to deceive, but to protect the bond we shared. I felt anger still bubbling inside me, but I also felt something stronger, compassion. I reached out and held his hand. "Rohan, I am hurt, yes, but I also see your heart. I see your love. We cannot change the past, but we can choose how to move forward." He looked at me, hope and relief in his eyes. Can you forgive me, Leena?" I took a deep breath. "Yes, I forgive you, but we must promise to share everything from now on. No secrets, no fears left unspoken." He nodded, and for the first time in days, I felt peace. We hugged, and I realized that forgiveness is not weakness, it is strength. It is the courage to accept the truth, embrace love, and continue life together. Over the next few days, we talked more openly than ever before. We shared our fears, our dreams, and our pasts. Every conversation strengthened our bond. I realized that love is not just about happiness. It is about honesty, forgiveness, and courage to face life's difficulties together. Even though his secret had shaken me, it also gave me something precious. The understanding that love can grow stronger after hardship. I had learned to balance emotions, respect, and trust. And in that balance, I found hope. After the confrontation, life slowly began to return to normal, but it was a new normal. I realized that trust is not automatically restored. It is rebuilt, step by step, day by day. Rohan and I started to spend more time together, not just as husband and wife, but as partners, sharing everything. We talked openly about our pasts, our fears, and our dreams. I saw his dedication to our marriage, and I felt my love for him growing even stronger. I also learned to accept his past without judgment. His secret had once felt like a wall between us, but now it became a bridge, a reminder that life is not perfect, but love can be. There were still moments of doubt. Sometimes I worried about the child he had hidden from me. Would I ever meet her? Would she accept me? Rohan reassured me patiently, saying, "We will face everything together, Leena. You are my wife, my partner, and the one I love." These words gave me strength. I realized that life will always bring challenges, but the courage to face them together creates true resilience. I learned that forgiveness is not enough. It must be followed by trust, understanding, and commitment. I understood that love is not only about romance, it is about empathy, support, and choosing to grow together despite difficulties. One evening, as we sat together on our small balcony watching the sunset, I whispered, "Rohan, I understand now. Life is not perfect, but our love can be." He smiled, holding my hand. "Yes, Leena. Together, we are stronger than any secret, any fear, or any pain." That night, I felt peace. I realized that challenges are not meant to break us, but to teach us how to love deeper, trust more, and grow stronger. Weeks passed, and life with Rohan became stronger than ever. The fear, anger, and confusion I had felt earlier were replaced with understanding, trust, and deep love. I realized that secrets, while painful, can teach lessons about courage, patience, and forgiveness. We started planning small things for our future: family trips, celebrations, and even ways to reconnect with the child from his past. Rohan showed me that love is not only about happiness, but also about responsibility, honesty, and courage. I noticed changes in myself, too. I was no longer the scared, uncertain wife who had discovered a painful secret. I was stronger, more confident, and able to face challenges with clarity. I learned that life will always bring unexpected events, but the strength to handle them comes from love, patience, and faith in each other. One evening, as we cooked dinner together, Rohan smiled and said softly, "Leena, thank you for trusting me, for forgiving me, and for standing by me. You have made our marriage stronger than I ever imagined." I smiled back, feeling warmth in my heart. "And thank you for being honest and patient. Life is not perfect, but together we can make it beautiful." From that day on, our relationship became a source of inspiration and hope. I understood that love is not about avoiding mistakes or hiding secrets. It is about facing the truth together, forgiving with an open heart, and growing stronger as a team. To everyone who listens to my story, I want to say, life may surprise you with secrets, challenges, or fear, but courage, honesty, and love can turn even the hardest moments into lessons, growth, and happiness. My name is Leena, and this is my story, the story of discovering my husband's secret, facing fear and anger, forgiving, and building a stronger, more loving marriage.